Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out.
No.
Is this painful?
No.
Is this painful?
You will go right next step. And I don't know whether that is scary or not.
Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out slowly. Just feel it in the way. Breathe out. Now, get it. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. See, you need to work on your flexibility. Okay. That's more like a patella issue.
Okay.
A lot of sound comes from patella. Painful?
Yeah.
Relax. Okay. Something
No, this was nice.
Your wrist is not so mobile as it should be somehow. It's okay. Don't keep your hand a little bit. Look up. Relax. And just get to relax.
Okay. Hi, myself Prabjot. I came to know about this place through Instagram. I was surfing through the pages and that's when I got to know about this. The problem that I was facing past 4 years has been my left shoulder. It has been really stiff and I'm not being able to sleep on that side. So I came here today and I got my first session. There was a lot of adjustments that were done and I absolutely feel great about it. And I will definitely come in for the second session as well. Thank you.
Breathe in. Breathe out. Relax. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Oh. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Once again, breathe in. Breathe out. Up. Breathe. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Yes. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe. Breathe out. Breathe out.